Hi, if you found your way here, then probably you've been carrying a pain that doesn't go away with time. Maybe a brother, a sister, someone who once shared your childhood is now a stranger. And no one told you how to grieve that kind of loss. Because it's not death, all right? But it still breaks your heart. Maybe they stopped replying. Maybe they said things that still echo in your mind. Or maybe you were the one who had to walk away just to breathe again. Whatever brought you here, I want you to know that you're not wrong for still caring. You're not weak for hoping something can change. And you're not alone in wondering, what do I do with all this love that has nowhere to go? Well, that's why I created this space, the Healing Sibling Bonds, brothers and sisters together. This is not just another support group. It's a quiet place where you can breathe, you can feel, and begin to heal without judgment and without having to choose sides and without pretending that it doesn't still hurt. We offer real tools here, gentle practices, a community that listens deeply. And most of all, we believe in healing. Even if they're not ready, and even if you're the only one still holding the thread. You deserve peace, you deserve clarity, and you deserve a space that helps you soften the ache and remember the love underneath the silence. So if your heart is still whispering, maybe, then come and join us. Let this be your soft beginning, your soft landing. Click the button, enter your email, and I'll send you a free copy of my book, The Inner Reunion, When They Cut You Off. It's about understanding the situation and how to deal and come out of it effectively and efficiently. I'm sure it'll help you in your healing journey. And when you're ready, we'll be waiting inside. Because some bonds aren't broken. They're just waiting to be healed. See you inside.